Hello everyone! For those interested po na mag-apply kay 51 Talk, just message me in my messenger account. Ito po na pangalan at ito po na picture. Okay, para mag-guide ko po kayo ng mabuti in your application process. Legit po yung aking referral link. You can also use my referral link in my profile and in the comment section, provided that as you click my referral link, syempre pupunta kayo sa basic information na dapat ninyong fill upan. So, make sure that you will not click outside the information box, kasi if you're gonna click it outside, you will be redirected to the main link of 51 Talk. So meaning to say, hindi na po kayo magiging under ng referral ko. What's the importance of that? Syempre, kami na mga teachers in 51 Talk, we are given legit po na referral link to refer teachers to become one of us. And then, if ever na ma-launch na kayo na teacher, that's the time na magkakabonus kami. Pero, conditional pa po yun. Kasi, if the newly hired teacher, hindi siya mag-open ng 40 to 45 open slots, hindi rin kami makaka-receive ng bonus. We shouldn't have to count it anymore. Kasi, in every ESL company, part naman talaga yung mga bonuses. The most important there is we have guided you in your application process. Kasi kahit ako, kung mag-a-apply ako ng ibang ESL, I want someone to guide me. And then, I just want to clarify po na hindi po yun affected yung sahod ninyo kay 51 Talk dahil pumasok kayo sa aming mga links. Hindi po yun ganun. 51 Talk is really a highly recommended ESL. Napakalaki po ni 51 Talk. They are many years in the long run nagko-convince ng mga new teachers in the platform. Dito kasi sa ESL, kailangan mo talagang magtiyaga. ESL teaching is not an easy job po. Kahit nga ako, nung bago pa lang ako sa 51 Talk, ang sabi ko, mas mahirap pa pala ito sa classroom teaching. You should have to think yung mga gustong mag-ESL, trabaho po talaga siya. Hindi po siya easy money. Ang kailangan nyo lang talaga is yung determination nyo. If this is really your passion to teach, you really would like to improve yourself and impart your knowledge to foreign kids and foreign adults, then pwede po kayo dito sa ESL. 51 Talk is welcoming the applicants kahit na hindi education graduate. Basta willing po talagang magturo. And then you have complete technical requirements. Na-vlog ko na yan, so just check out my profile para you will be well guided. Then also, if you don't want to be part of my referral, just check on my YouTube account. Many teachers na po ang natulungan ng aking YouTube. And I'm very happy that some of them returned to me and thanked me because natulungan po sila ng aking mga videos. Nakakataba po talaga ng puso. In one way, natulungan ko sila. That makes me so happy that they dedicated me their message of thanks. Mayroon talagang pera sa ESL teaching. Mayroon po talaga.